Welcome, my name is David Siddons and I'm president of the David Siddons Group, and this video is to introduce you to not what are the best buildings in Coconut Grove for 2021, but what are the best lines in the best buildings in Coconut Grove for 2021. So let's get into this. So welcome back to another one of our videos. As usual, we always try to get a little bit more granular than usual. We're not going to talk generally about the buildings. You can get that information elsewhere. What we will give you is what you can't get elsewhere. Again, we try to give you granular, specific information to these markets to help you make a better decision, which ultimately is our business strapline. So as I stand here in the penthouse rooftop terrace of Grove at Grand Bay, we're going to discuss the best lines in the best buildings. And why do I say just the best lines? Because really, real estate is not, as I've said many times before in our other videos for our other neighborhoods, it is not a neighborhood by neighborhood conversation. It is not even a building by building conversation. It's a line by line conversation. Because I would rather be in the best line in the third best building than the third best line in the best building. It's much more important. Lines can make or break the product. And typically the southeast corners we know are often the most attractive, they're the biggest, but there are other lines as well. And it may be because of elevations, it may be because of clearance of other buildings. There's lots of different reasons. But we're gonna go through our top 5 right now, and we're gonna start with number 5.
Park Grove, Tower 1, the A line. The front tower has unobstructed views, protected in perpetuity out over the Biscayne Bay. These incredible units are the largest in the building at 3,233 square feet. With wraparound glass, the entire unit has views directly to the north, in fact to the east and to the south. The units are, as with all of the 1 and 2 towers, encased in glass with an exoskeleton. 12-foot ceilings make this one of the best buildings in not only the Grove, but Miami. Grove at Grand Bay 02 line. Unsurprisingly, from the similar architectural wheelhouse as Park Grove, these also have 12-foot ceilings, gas cooktops, and incredible views. It's worth mentioning that the higher you go up the tower, the straighter the columns, and therefore the less intrusive they become. The 02 lines we particularly like because they give you an incredible south view. And there's no obstruction with a south view in this particular tower. Once again, Grove at Grand Bay, the 01 line. This is the north-facing units. And again, these are large corner units, somewhere around 4,000 to 4,500 square feet. Master bedrooms preferred at the front, guest bedrooms to the back. Some of these lower floor units have all of the bedrooms at the back, so be aware when choosing. The project itself offers superb amenities, great proximity to the heart of the Grove, and is definitely considered in one of the top 3 buildings in Coconut Grove, and certainly in the top 10 in the whole of Miami. Grosvenor House, the 01 line. Be aware, although an older building, the Grosvenor House building is well established and well run, and the 01 line, the corner units, again, excellent views. These are large, around 4,000 square feet, superb views looking towards Brickell, excellent views to the east, and incredible views to the west. These flow more like a house than just a condo, and they are very spacious. The only downside, 10-foot ceilings. But at a price point of sub $4 million, they're definitely worthy of attention. Grosvenor House 02 line. An exact reflection of the 01 line. These offer the same kind of level, 4,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 or 6 bathrooms, and incredible views again to the east, to the south, to the west. The project itself has tennis courts, has a pool, has gym, spa, and everything you would imagine. Excellent floor plans and particularly large wardrobes in these lines and these units. Mr. C Residences 01 line, a brand new project in Coconut Grove, yet to be finished, will be completed in 2023. The 01 line offers 3 to 4 bedroom options, around 2,700 square feet. These can be combined with the 02 line, which is next door, again with a more angular look, with less rounded edges. Utilization of space is a little better, and there are, as you move up the building, units to 11 or 12 feet.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, watch our other videos. We have over 500 of them out there online, covering all sorts of different neighborhoods and all types of different product. And we sell real estate. That's how we make our living. We communicate a lot with information. See my information below, my email, my telephone number, our website, and any inquiries you have, pick up the phone and call me. I'm a local to the Grove, and I can tell you what's going on. So look forward to seeing you next time for another video. Bye for now.